This video is how to make a simple jig to cut thin strips of every dimension that you want. This is the completed one, very simplistic. There's a baseboard. It fits up flush against the fence, and it's wide enough so that your hands don't get in the way of that blade, otherwise we have less fingers. The handle is optional. I happened to have it on something else and took it off and put it on here, so it gives you an easy push through. And then there's a backing board that extends out beyond the base, which is fastened on. The idea of that backing board is to catch the wood and slide it through. So I'm going to demonstrate that quickly. As you can see, it's flush against there. Right, now we have the jig. The gap between the blade and this edge is 5 millimeters. You fit your piece of stock into it. You can see it's flush, and then you proceed to cut. And there you have your strip. Now you can adjust this any width you want to, centimeter, 10 millimeters, whatever the case you want to. It's a very simple jig for cutting thin strips. This piece of board that we've now glued up is too thin for the minimum thickness to pass through the thickener planer. So how do we overcome that? What we're going to do is glue it to another board to get the right thickness by using hot glue. This piece of board has already gone through the thickness of planer to level it out. So let's glue this up, and then we can push it through the planer. Ready to push it through the planer. So we adjust the planer just so it starts to touch. We'll do a couple of passes till it takes automatically. Smooth surface. As you said, will get messy. Now what we're going to do is take this off here, flip it over, glue it down again, and do the other side.